Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best folding wagon is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone who frequently transports gear, whether you're heading to the beach, a sporting event, gardening, or simply moving groceries from the car to your home, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency by transforming bulky, multiple trips into a single, effortless haul, making your life significantly easier and more organized. Number 5. Max Sports Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. This wagon offers a large interior, perfect for all your essentials. It sets up instantly, with no assembly required, so you can start using it right away. When you're done, it folds down to a mere 8 inches thick. A protective cover is included, making storage incredibly convenient. Its heavy-duty frame can handle loads up to 150 pounds. The durable 600D fabric is also easy to clean, ensuring it stays looking great. It features an adjustable handle for effortless pulling. Plus, a rear folding table with 2 cup holders adds extra convenience for your outings. This is perfect for sporting events, concerts, park trips, or even around the house. It makes hauling gear simple and efficient. What we like? This wagon stands out with its integrated rear folding table and convenient cup holders. It's perfect for those who enjoy outdoor events and need a stable surface for snacks and drinks. If you like tailgating, picnics, or simply need extra utility at the park, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews available in the source. No reviews available in the source. Number 4. VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon. Meet the VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon, your ultimate outdoor utility cart. It's designed to make transporting your gear effortless, whether you're heading to the beach, garden, or a sports event. This wagon boasts a robust design, supporting up to 350 pounds with ease. Crafted from durable, waterproof 600D Oxford fabric, it's ready for any adventure and will withstand the elements. Keep your essentials organized with its convenient side pockets and mesh compartments. Plus, 2 integrated cup holders ensure your beverages are always within reach, adding extra comfort to your outings. Navigate any terrain with its 90-degree adjustable handle, designed for comfortable pushing or pulling. Its silent, 360-degree swivel wheels glide smoothly, and integrated brakes keep it securely in place on slopes. When you're done, this wagon folds down to a compact size with just one hand, saving valuable space. It's incredibly easy to carry and store, making it perfect for any trip. What we like? This model boasts a robust 350 pounds load capacity and features silent, 360-degree swivel wheels for smooth, quiet movement. It also includes handy side pockets for small items and valuables. If you frequently transport heavy loads or need a discreet, quiet cart for various terrains, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Timber Ridge 400L Double-Decker Wagon. Need to carry oversized gear? This wagon features an extended lower shelf, measuring 54 inches, perfect for transporting items like chairs, tents, and canopies with ease. Don't let its compact size fool you. Constructed with sturdy steel, it supports up to 225 pounds per layer, totaling an impressive 450 pounds. This provides ample space for all your essentials. Navigate any landscape effortlessly. Equipped with 7.5-inch all-terrain wheels and brakes, it ensures smooth and quiet movement. The 360-degree rotating front wheels make maneuvering a breeze. Forget complicated assembly. This wagon sets up in seconds by simply pushing the bottom. When you're done, its collapsible design folds compactly for convenient storage and transport. Enjoy comfortable control with its adjustable ABS handle. It extends up to 2 feet 8 inches, ensuring a perfect grip for anyone. Plus, it stays securely in place when not in use. What we like? This wagon offers an impressive extra-long extender and a double-decker design, perfect for oversized items. It supports a massive 450 pounds total load and features robust all-terrain wheels. If you need to transport very long or bulky gear like tents and chairs, you should definitely consider this heavy-duty option. What people say. Number 2. Portal Heavy-Duty Folding Wagon Cart. Meet your new essential for every adventure. This versatile cart is perfect for the beach, camping trips, gardening, and even grocery runs. It makes transporting your belongings effortless, wherever you go. Equipped with robust all-terrain wheels, it glides smoothly over sand, cement, and various surfaces. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels ensure easy maneuverability, making pushing and pulling a breeze. Its upright telescoping handle adjusts from 26 to 32.5 inches and pivots 90 degrees for optimal comfort. This thoughtful design saves you time and energy when moving items for laundry, groceries, or outdoor excursions. Made from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a mesh bottom, it's incredibly easy to clean, just wash it with water. Plus, 2 convenient cup holders keep your drinks and small items always within reach. Featuring a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, it boasts a static load capacity of 450 pounds and a dynamic capacity of 225 pounds. This ensures it can handle all your gear, making every outdoor activity simpler. Setting it up is incredibly fast, unfolding in just seconds with a simple push of the bottom. When you're done, it folds down to a compact size, taking up minimal space for storage. What we like? Designed with specialized all-terrain wheels, this cart excels on sand and various challenging surfaces. Its bottom mesh design allows for direct washing, making cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a reliable beach cart or frequently deal with sandy or muddy environments, this model is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 1. Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart. This wagon boasts a 220 pounds load capacity, making it perfect for various tasks. It easily accommodates outdoor gear, beach essentials, and delivery packages. Whether you're camping, heading to the beach, or picking up parcels, it's a great companion. It features anti-slip treads and 360 degrees swivel wheels, ensuring smooth navigation across diverse terrains. The extendable handle offers easy height adjustment from 27.1 to 35 inches. 2 thoughtfully positioned mesh cup holders at the front allow for convenient storage of beverages. This ensures your drinks are always within reach while you're on the move. Constructed with a high-strength alloy steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, this portable wagon is built for durability. It is water-resistant and scratch-resistant, easily handling harsh weather and heavy loads. Weighing just 10 pounds, it is designed for ultimate portability, allowing for effortless one-handed carrying. When folded, it measures a compact 27.1 by 18.5 by 5.5 inches. Its 4 wheels can even be removed to save space. This allows it to be conveniently stored in a car, boot, or cupboard without taking up much room. We offer a 1-year warranty and consistently prioritize customer experience. Should you have any queries regarding it, please do not hesitate to seek assistance. What we like? This wagon stands out for its incredibly lightweight design, weighing only 10 pounds, and its ultra-compact folded size. Its wheels are also removable for even more space-saving storage. If portability and minimal storage footprint are your top priorities, you should consider this exceptionally light and compact cart. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.